Hey there, I want to show you a really quick way to make a sort of a flow chart in Canva. I'm currently working on a slideshow or slide deck, and I want to link these photos to show the evolution of bass players. I don't think that there's a way to do this with photos, but I'm going to do it with shapes. So I'm going to take these shapes, I'm going to create shape here and just lay it on top of this photo, on top of each photo actually. And I know it seems a little bit weird at the moment, but what I'm going to do is hide these hide the shapes. So I'm just going to take those, drag them like that, and then with the quick flow. So if you don't have it automatically set, what you'll do is click on the three dots, and then it's enabled right now, so I just disabled it. But if I go here to the three dots, enable the quick flow for each of these, so they're already connected. So now I want to again link that to another shape and link this one. Nope, I don't want to drag that. So I want to link them like that. And then I'll go to positions and I'll take all of these and drag them to the bottom. I can also just turn the transparency down so that the arrows are showing and the shapes are gone. Hope this helps. Hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. See you in the next one.